Today's topic is section formula. Now we discuss the section formula in class 10th plus 1. We have already discussed the section formula. In class 10th we have discussed the formula of m1x2 plus m2x1 by m1 plus m2. In 10 plus 1 we have discussed m x1 and x2 by m plus n. This is the internally section formula. Now in 10 plus 2 classes we have discussed this formula m vector b plus n vector a by m plus n. This is our section formula in class 12. In this formula we have discussed the section of ratio. Find the ratio of m1 ratio n. In this section formula we have discussed this. Now next is midpoint formula. We have discussed the midpoint formula in 10 plus 1. We have find this x1 plus x2 by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2, z1 plus z2 by 2. This is our midpoint formula in 10 plus 1. Now we have discussed these 10 midpoint formula in 10 plus 2. We have these vector r is equal to vector a plus vector b by 2. This is our midpoint formula in vector form. Vector form. So now we have used these two formulae for these exercise section formula for internally. For externally we have used the formula of these m b vector minus n a by m minus n. If we have find the ratio of these, if we get the ratio in negative, then we write it is a externally divided. अब ये दिए हुए पॉइंटों को एक्सटर्नली डिवाइड करता है. तो नाउ वी डिस्कस सम क्वेश्चंस अबाउट दिस. So first question is consider 2 point exercise 12.4. First question is consider 2 point P and Q whose position vector OP vector is equal to 3a minus 2b and OQ vector equal to vector A plus vector B. Find the position vector of R which divide the line joining point P and Q in ratio 2:1 internally and externally. First of them we find the internally. Given ratio is 2:1. Now we have discussed these by internally. Now we have find the point of R, vector R by internally. For internally we have discussed this formula MB vector plus NA vector by M plus N. So now here M is equal to 2, N is equal to 1 and B vector means OQ, it means A plus B vector and A vector is 3A minus 2B. Now using section formula. Now MB means M multiply B vector. M2 multiply B vector means vector A plus vector B plus N into A vector. A vector means N value is 1 or A vector means 3A minus 2B by may M plus N. It means 2 plus 1. Now we get 2A plus 2B vector, 3A minus 2B vector. Now by 2 plus 1, 3. 2B cancel to 2B, we get 5A vector is equal to 3. This is your internally point by R. Now for externally we discuss this formula by externally. Then point of R is for externally. Now we discuss next formula for externally. This formula for externally like this. MB vector M2. Here the value of M is 2 into B vector. B vector means this is your B vector. Vector A plus B. Then negative signs N1 into A. 3A minus 2B by may AM minus N, 2 minus 1. Now we multiply this 2A plus 2B minus 3A plus 2B by may 2 minus 1, 1. 2A minus 3A minus A plus 4B. This is the external point of this vector. This is your questions number first. Now questions number second, we have discussed find the position vector of a point which divide the adjoining point position vector. तो given vector A suppose करते हैं उसको, vector A is equal to 3i plus 2j minus A and vector B is equal to minus I plus 3j plus 4k. We have find the externally and internally by 2 ratio 3. So given ratio is equal to 2 ratio 3. We have divided these by internally and externally same as this. Same as questions first. Now we have first discussed the internally. For internally, we have discussed these using section formula like this: MB plus NA equal to by may M plus N. Now put the value of A, B and N. This is M and this is A and B. Now we find the internally. For externally we use this formula for externally and solve these questions. In questions number 3, find the position vector of R which divide the line joining point P and Q whose position vector R. Position vector of P equal to 2A plus B. Position vector of Q, this also given is vector A minus 3B. And now externally in the ratio of 1:2. Ratio is given 1:2 externally. Now also show that P is the midpoint of line segment RQ. Now we have find the point of R for externally. For externally, point of R. Point of R. Now, externally of point of R we have find the value of minus na by m minus n. So here the value of m is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, vector b is equal to, it means q, a minus 3b, and a is equal to, it means b, 2a plus b. Now we using this formula for explanation. So r is equal to m1 into b means a minus 3b, minus n, 2 into a, 2a plus b, by way m minus n, 1 minus 2. We multiply this, a minus 3b minus 4a minus 2b by minus 1. We get minus 3a minus 5b by minus 1. We take minus common out from above, then we get 3a plus 5b. This is the position vector of R which divide this actually in ratio 1:2. Also in this question we show that P is the midpoint of a line segment RQ. Now for midpoint, we have discussed the midpoint of a P is the midpoint of RQ. The point of R given is position vector of R given is 3a plus 5b, and position vector of Q is, we are given a minus 3b. Now we have find the midpoint of a QR. Midpoint of QR. RQ is QR. We have find vector R plus vector Q divided by 2. So here the vector R is 3a plus 5b and Q is a minus 3b divided by 2. 3a plus a, 4a plus 2b divided by 2. We take 2 common out from the numerators. So we get 2a plus b equal to p. Here the p vector is position vector of a p. Are same. So now your hence midpoint of QR is same as P. Midpoint of QR is equal to midpoint of a P. Now we have find these questions and solves. Next question number 4 say that in these questions he say that find the midpoint of joining point P and Q. We are given point P. Position vector of P given is 2i plus 3j plus 4k, and position vector of Q is 4i plus j minus 2k. We have find the midpoint of PQ by these methods. So midpoint of PQ, midpoint of PQ, vector P plus Q also divided by 2. Here the vector P is this 2i plus 3j plus 4k plus Q vector is 4i plus 6j minus 2k divided by 2. If we add these two vectors, then we add I to I, j to j, k to k. 2i plus 4i, it means 6i plus 4j plus 2k by 2. We take 2 common outs from these. Now we get 3i plus 2j plus k. This is the midpoint of a PQ vector. Now in questions number 5, he said that show that the point A, point of A Here the given the point of A, we are 1 minus 2 minus 8. Point of B is 5 0 minus 2. Point of C is 11 3 7. Now he say that are collinear. So that these points are collinear. Also find the ratio in which B divide AC. So now we are given that these points are collinear. So first of them we have find the position vector of AB. So now position vector of AB. It means vector B minus vector A. So then we write is 5 minus 1 into I, x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1 plus z2 minus z1. Now write this from plus 0 y2 minus y1 plus 2 negative to positive into j plus minus 2 plus 8 into k. So now this becomes 4i plus 2j plus 6k. This is the position vector of AB. Now position vector of BC. Vector BC. Now C minus B. Vector B, C minus B. It means 1 minus 5 into I. Then 3 minus 0. This is a J. Sorry, this is 11 minus 5. 3 minus 0 plus 7 plus 2 into K. This is 6I 3J plus 9K. If we take 3 common out from this, we get 2I plus J plus 3K. And we take 2 common out from this, we get 2I plus J plus 3K. Now look here. These vector and these vector, position vector of AB, position vector of AB equal to 2 into 2I plus J plus 3K, and position vector of BC equal to 3 into 2I plus J plus 3K. Both are AB equal to BC. AB equal to BC is 2 by 3 of these vector. So now here B is common point in AB and BC. Then these vector are collinear. So what we have find these collinear vectors, then 2 by 3 is any scalar. 2 by 3 is any scalar of these vector. To both of vector and have any scalar, and B is the common point, then these points are collinear. If the points are not common, then these are the parallel vector. Also this we have find the common ratio. Also find the ratio in which B divide AC. Here the vector B is divided AC. So now this is A point, this is C, and this is your B. B, let us suppose that B divide AC in M ratio N. If we have find these ratio are from all point I, J, K, then we say that it is the B divide AC in same ratio. Let us suppose these point are 1 minus 2 minus 8. This point is 11 3 7, and this point is 5 0 minus 2. Now using section formula internally, using section formula internally. For section formula internally we have divided this M into B, M into B. B means this is A vector, this is C. C, not this B. This is the divide the. So now 11I plus 3J plus 7K plus N into में vector A. Vector A is I minus 2J minus 8K by में M plus N. Now this is equal to vector B because B divide AC in ratio M ratio N. Vector B is equal to 5 plus 0j minus 2k. Now we multiply by these mn. So now m11 mi plus 3mj plus 7mk plus ni minus 2nj minus 8nk by may m plus n is equal to 5 plus 0j minus 2k. Taking 1 and cross multiply. From cross multiply, we multiply this term to 1, this multiply to m plus 1. So now 11 mi plus 3nj plus 7mk and ni minus 2nj minus 8nk equal to, these multiply by these we get 5mi and 5ni. Now these multiply to 0 we get gm0j and 0k. Now these multiply this minus 2mk minus 2nk. Now we compare these m like to this m, n like to this n, to like this n. So we compare these equal of two vector when I equal to I, j equal to j and k equal to k. So here this 11m equal to coefficient of these m equal to I, this 5m. And n here the value of n is ni. Here the value of n, ni this ni. Take value of n. Here the value of I is n 5n. Now we take the value of k also, but we have find the value of section formulas like this, comparing these all these. Now k value is this 7m. Here the value of 7m, j and k. But we have find the two value of these like this. If we take only ii, then we have find the section formula all of these. So we have take only ii of these. So now this equal to 11m, 5m equal to, taking this 6m. This is the value of I. Now here the value of n is given by this. Here n is ni and 5ni. Now we take these I to I, then n minus 5n. We take minus 4n. Now we take this value equal to minus 4ni. So now we take 6m by n ratio equal to minus 4 by 6. Now we get m ratio n equal to 2 by 2 ratio 3. If we find this ratio by j, k point, we also get this 2 ratio 3. So hence the ratio, hence B divide AC in 2 ratio 3. Hence 6. If P and Q are the midpoint of the diagonal of AC and BD of a respectively of a quadrilateral ABCD, we are given a quadrilateral ABCD like this. This is your quadrilateral ABCD. This is A, B, C and D. So now we have discussed that, prove that we have to prove that vector AB plus AD plus BCB plus CD equal to 4PQ. So in these sections we have first, we are given a quadrilateral. Now join diagonal A to C and B to D. Here suppose AC midpoint is P and BD midpoint is Q. So it is given that P is the midpoint of AC. It is given, and Q is the midpoint of BD. It is also given. Now we take, this is vector A, this is vector B, this is vector C, this is vector D. We are given these vector. Now first P is the midpoint of a AC. Then vector P is equal to, P is the midpoint of AC. By midpoint a formula, vector A plus vector C by 2. This is the position vector of a P. Now Q is the midpoint of BD. For BD is vector B plus a vector D divided by 2. Now it is given that AB plus AD plus CB plus CD is equal to 4PQ. It means position vector of PQ. PQ means join P to Q, we get position vector of PQ. So position vector of PQ is equal to vector Q minus vector P. So vector Q means B plus D minus by 2 minus P, vector A plus C by 2. So now we get 2 is the LCM, vector B plus D minus A minus C. Now this is your result for this. Now we take left hand side. This is your right hand side. If take the right hand side, we get 4PQ. It means 4 multiply PQ. Position vector of PQ means these vector, vector B plus D minus A minus C divided by 2. 2 cancel to this, we get 2 times of B, D minus A minus C. This is the right hand side of 4PQ. Now we take LHS. Left hand side say that we have find AB. AB plus AD plus CB plus CD. So now for AB we take AB. AB means vector B minus vector A. This is the position vector of AB, AD, CB and CD. Position vector of AB means vector B minus vector A. AD means AD. Position vector AD means D minus A. Vector D minus A. And this is said at CB. CB means vector B minus vector C. B minus C. And this is position vector of CD means D minus C. D minus C. Now we solve these. Here B plus B, we get 2B vector. And now this D plus D, we get 2D vector. And this 2A, it is also 2A and 2C. We take 2 common out, we get B plus D minus A minus C. Now here the left hand side is this and right hand side this. We take 2 into vector B plus D minus A minus C, and left hand side also equal to this. So hence prove LHS is equal to RHS by this result. So hence this result is proved. This is your exercise 12.